Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest boards step by step. Boards help you organize and save your pins into different categories, making it easy to find them later. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website and sign in to your account. Then, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to the Boards tab. Next, click the Create button. Then, enter a name for your new board. If you want, turn on the Keep this board secret option to make it private. Then, click Create. Your new board will now be created. You can start saving pins to your new board by clicking the Save button on any pin and selecting your board. You can also edit your board later by opening it and clicking the Edit option. And that's it. You've successfully created a Pinterest board. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.